Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that.
Hello guys, welcome back and happy new year. If this is your first time, I am Katia Valino. Yeah. I am a lifestyle and beauty blogger. Please, yes, toast again one more time. It's new year. If you're new to this channel, please do me a favor and click on the red button so you will subscribe to this channel. And also, when you click on the red button, do not hesitate to click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. First of all, in this video, I want to start by applauding each and every one of you that keep coming back to this channel. I am so grateful. I am so delighted. I am so elated to know that you are part of this family. I cannot say thank you enough. It is New Year, and for my previous subscribers, you know that I do DIY. I used to do fashion in summer, but unfortunately we are in winter. It's so hard to even dress up nice to come and start doing fashion videos. I try as much as possible to do at least 3 to 4 DIYs out of 7 days, and I still do my vlog. I like vlogging, okay, because I know that you guys still want to know who you're dealing with. So every now and then I try to throw in my personal life, the things I do, my travel vlog, my husband in the video as well. So anyway, so this video, without going round and round and round and round, if you are looking into being if you want to be a YouTuber and start your own channel this 2019, stay here. If you are a visitor or a viewer, stay here. If you are a smaller YouTube, stay here, because I've been getting a lot of emails and I want to address everything this year. So first of all, where am I going to start? I'm going to start with people who wants to join YouTube. Kudos. Let me just have a sip. I want to start with people who are looking into starting their own YouTube channel. First thing I want you to know is that if you have it at the back of your head that you're coming to do YouTube to make money, it's not gonna work. Second of all, just start with something you love. Just if it's cooking, do it delightfully. Like, you know what, you're doing it because it's what you like to do. And as time goes on, your passion will turn into moolah, will turn into money. Again, what do you want to? Some people also ask me, what kind of topics do they want to do? Again and again, I'm not going to tell you what to do because your passion is different from mine. Whatever that rocks your boat. It doesn't matter if you love cleaning your bathroom, you can start from there. If you like cooking, you can start from there. But if you love a lot of things and you don't know exactly where to start, I'm going to tell you, last month when the people from corporate Google office, YouTube, came to Toronto, so in one of the sections that we had, they were looking into the topics that really make more money. They said, I didn't say, they said that it used to be makeup, but over the time makeup got too saturated and a lot of people are doing makeup now, even on Instagram and all whatnot. So what my advice to you is to really look and see what is going to make you stand out. So example, even if you want to do makeup, do it, but incorporate that with a little bit of vlogging so that people don't get boring watching your channel. I do DIY, but sometimes I think that even me, I get bored doing the same thing over and over, teaching about pimple and acne and weight loss. So that's why I try to incorporate that with a little bit of something. But hey, when you have a niche, when you, for example, if you only do fashion, people will view your channel more because they know that you have a niche. They are coming specifically to look at fashion or to look at DIY or something like that. So people that do one thing, that don't get bored from doing that thing, they get more viewers. Yes, because people are really coming there to see. But again, it depends on the niche. Also, every channel gets paid differently. Some channels get paid $1 because, again, this is according to the email that I got. Some channels get paid $1 for 1,000 views. Some channels do get 2, some get 3, some get 4, some get 5. And do you know that the gaming channel, some of them get between $10 to $20 for 1,000 views. So this is what they call it. Mil means 1,000 views. And also clarifications. Just because I might have 5,000 views and you might have 1,000 views, it doesn't mean that I will necessarily make more money than you. No, it depends on the time that people spend on watching your video. So because some people might click your video and then in the first 1 minute they don't like what they're hearing, they'll just move over to the other channel. So really, people or YouTubers really get money by time engaged. It's called watch time. It's called watch time. Watch time, which only the YouTubers will see that from their back office. So watch time is what you get paid for, but you watching the video will only see the view counts. But at the end of the day, when the YouTubers go at the back, they're able to see the view count, the engagement. Yeah, how long does people really engage in watching your videos. So don't even stay there. Somebody was telling me the other day, say, oh, she wanted to start YouTube, but when she find out that they're only paying $1 per 1,000 views, that she was discouraged. That's not the reason you're coming to do YouTube, for money. When money starts flocking in, you'll be so shocked and you'll be so amazed. And also, I'm going to narrow down how different ways YouTubers make money. Like I said, I'm bringing all my emails together to answer all the questions. YouTubers make money per views, right? So like I just explained, that's one way. Second of all, you can start getting sponsorships. Like a company can give me this heart to talk about it. They will pay me to display this and post the picture of this heart on my Instagram page. I'll get paid for that. Some companies might want me to do a video on their product. I'm going to charge them something. And the prices depends on you. The smaller you are, the smaller you charge, starting from $50 to $1,000 to $10,000. Depends on the agreement that you have from the company. You get paid there as well. And also affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means like I can buy this phone right now and use it and do a video, and then I'm going to put a link at the bottom of my channel, at the bottom of the video. If you go and buy something and buy this thing from the link, I get a commission because I'm referring you to the company. Also, you can do something outside of the social media, because once you build your brand, people will know who you are. For example, I host red carpets. When people do birthdays and stuff like that, they call me to interview people. When they do Valentine, I go to host red carpet, talk to people, find out what they're wearing. I get paid for that too. And it's not because I'm just sitting in my house. It's because of how I have branded myself, and they know that I have a lot of followers. and viewership. So when you're building yourself and creating videos, you are also building a brand, which you don't even know that you are doing. So all these things coming together makes you money. You don't only make money from people watching your videos. So what other question? Also, you can make a lot of money when you host classes, do events. If you do makeup, you can start doing classes and teaching people how to do makeup. If you talk about relationships, you can host events and bring couples together, chit chat with them, they buy tickets, they come, you brand yourself, you make some money as well. Also, from my knowledge and from what I know from YouTube, so I'm gonna tell you the hottest channels or topics that makes most money on YouTube. The first one is gaming channel. The channels that does a lot of games and animations. Those channels makes killing on YouTube. Also, people who do educational videos like how to. Any how to videos make a lot of money. When I say how to, it could be how to brighten your skin, how to cure diabetes, how to get rid of smelling mouth. Anything how to makes you a lot of. Yes, because YouTube is also looking to videos that will really impact people's lives. So this is why how to is very important. It could also be how to clean your house, as long as it has the title how to. How to is way to go. So you can do how to braid your hair, how to, anything how to, just to let you know how to cook, how to do this, how to do that. Then you will see that your revenue from YouTube will really increase. Yes. Okay, yes. Another question is, I'm gonna tell you, if you wanna start it, you start it now. Don't wait to have this studio looking like CNN. Don't wait to have this studio looking like NTA Nigeria or looking like any other channels that you see on TV. This is what got me stalked, because when I opened my YouTube, I was stalked for a year. I didn't post anything, and it's not because I didn't have my first year I didn't post anything. I just opened it and then I left it there. The second year my children were managing it and I was posting videos like once or twice a week. You got to be committed to your channel because you don't want to lose your viewers. And don't wait, like I said, don't wait to have everything squeaky clean. Even right now that I'm talking to you, yeah, what is the word I'm looking for? I am not even fastidious. Is that what it's called? Fastidious mean like you want things at the proper place, you want your camera this way, you want this. No, just do it. People don't care if your channel looks like crap or if it looks squeaky clean. They are very interested in the message that you are passing along. And the moment you keep looking to have everything in place, the more time goes on. I know somebody who was wanting to start YouTube for the past 3 years. She's been counting on camera and this and this. But last year, YouTube changed everything. And now you got to have like 1,000 subscribers before they start paying you. You got to have 40,000. Sorry, I don't know that by heart. It's a 40,000 viewership. Something like that. So they change everything. So if you want to do it, you get up, you say, you know, I'm going to do it. You practice with yourself. You do it. You record. You stand in front of the mirror. You talk to yourself. You post it like that. Who cares? This is not an exam. Yes, if you fail it, if people think that you don't know how to speak proper English, or maybe people think you don't know how to do recording, hello, let them hop over to other channels. There are so many YouTubers out there. So don't even try to please anybody. Just make sure that you are delivering the right message to people and they will come. Once you are consistent enough, people will come. Don't just open your YouTube channel and post videos once a week, once a month. I've seen people that post videos once in 2 months, once in 3 months. Then They are not committed to what they're doing. YouTube is a job. If you want to make money from YouTube, you're gonna start treating this. If you invest time to build your channel and do it, you will not have any regrets. But hello, I never said that doing YouTube is easy. Doing videos are hard, especially editing. Yes, if you want to get into editing, do this, do that, to have this light, it is hard. Let me tell you, I'm not trying to discourage you. 10 minutes video can take you anywhere from 30 minutes to 1 hour to both shoot and edit. So it's not easy, but at the end of the day, you are working for yourself. You are your own boss. Why am I telling you these things right now? Yes, it's a new year, it's 2019. Don't sit down there and keep speculating and keep procrastinating. I'm gonna do it today, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Do it now. You'll be sorry if you don't do it now. And also, don't worry about what people are gonna say about you. Don't worry if this person have 1 million views and you only have 3 views. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you are consistent in what you're doing. You are delivering message, and people sooner or later will come to your channel. And also remember that it's not only the people in YouTube that, yeah, people will be watching, and before you know it, you will flourish. So I hope I answer all your questions, and please do not forget to leave this channel without clicking on the red button and also clicking on the notification bell so you will know when I upload a video. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart, and I love you so much. See you guys. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, it's Katia Valino. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, it's Katia Valino. And also check out my website to see what else that I do there, because this woman is pretty busy. Yes, thank you guys. Bye.
Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place, enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain, The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you fill up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me, pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me out, say me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me out. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place, enter the